Hi guys, Ron, Tech Tips, Tech Stuff. How's it going? Today is Good Friday. I wanted to wish everyone a happy Easter and I hope you're spending it with friends and loved ones. There's no video today on tutorials. I wanted to just do an update on my channel again. Mondays is devoted to Movie Studio Monday. When I first got into video editing for YouTube, I used Movie Studio. And when I do Vegas Pro tutorials, I get so many people that are using Movie Studio asking me questions how to do this in Movie Studio. So I bought Movie Studio 16 Platinum, and Monday is devoted to helping those people with Movie Studio with tutorials. Tuesday is going to be Vegas Pro tutorials, and Friday is going to be something to do with technology. That could be anything from this, retro computers. This computer was bought back in 1996, not because I needed it, because I wanted it. It's a compact Contra Aero 486 33SX, 20 megabytes of RAM, 250 megabyte hard drive. I bought it because it was a sub notebook and it was just so cool. It cost me $1,600. I didn't need it, I just wanted to buy it because it was so cool. I'm glad I did because I still own it 23 years later. I still got the computer and it still works. Just had to change the BIOS battery. It's just a real cool design. I've never seen a computer design like this ever since 23 years ago. It's just a really awesome design. And lucky enough to find a power supply on YouTube, or not YouTube, on eBay. And I bought the power supply and got this computer running once again. And I updated the computer. I put some new software on it, and it's working really, really great. And I really like it. So that's some of the things I want to get into is retro computing and also retro gaming. I first got into gaming back in 1989. Yes, I'm that old. 1989. It was my first gaming experience. It was with a Tandy color computer hooked up to my TV. It was running a flight simulator. It was very crude by today's standards. But when I seen that, I just got hooked on computers. And I spent tens and tens of thousands of dollars on computers over the years. And I really got into gaming. I was a gamer since about 1989 to about 2005. I was heavy into gaming all those years. And I always had to have a faster computer to run the games properly. And I want to get into retro gaming. There's one game I used to play a lot. Back in 1998 it came out. It was called Wargasm. It's an awesome war simulation game. And I spent hundreds of hours playing this game when it came out. It was just such an awesome game. The gameplay was great. The graphics for back in 1998 were just absolutely stunning on the computer. Compared to the graphics nowadays, it's antique, but it's still an awesome game to play. And you can still buy the game on eBay, and you can also download ISO of the file off on the internet somewhere. I've seen somewhere on the internet. You can download an ISO and burn a CD and play the game on your computer. And it's a Windows game. It used to work on Windows 10, but after a Windows update, they completely screw the game up and the game won't play anymore. It won't play anymore on Windows 10. So I have to use my old Windows XP laptop to run the game. That's the only way I can play the game is on my old XP laptop. There's no other way to get that game running on Windows 10. I tried and there's no way to get it running. So here's a taste of the game. Just check it out.
Affirmative. Okay. Roger. Reach the waiting orders. Waiting orders. Unit under threat. Unit ready.
So that's what I want to do. I want to get involved in retro gaming, retro computers for Fridays. Not just all retro, but anything to do with technology on Fridays. So Monday, once again, Monday is Movie Studio Monday. Tuesday is Vegas Pro. And Friday is something to do with technology, whether it's retro gaming or anything to do with technology. So I just want to update you what's happening with my channel. So once again, have a great holiday weekend with friends and family. And I'll see you Monday with a brand new video. Thanks for watching.